Hi, welcome to another video. I already don't like this fucking look and I don't know what went wrong because I just fucking started. So if you've read the title of the video, hopefully we're in October already, or maybe I started it, I don't know. But I'm going to do Cruella's 2021 makeup look. Do I like the movie? Absolutely not. Do I like the makeup for the main character? Absolutely not as well. But I was like, this is something easy because in my head I was like, okay, just a regular black smoky eye, heavy blended, you know. This bitch, black and white, the two hardest colors to blend and to make together, because literally you can see, okay, so I'll put the photo up, but all right here is white and then all right here is black. I know it's a really bad, like a bad explanation, but the way it is, it doesn't even look white. It literally looks like they did all black or they did all white first and then they put the white on top and now it looks great. Hopefully, as subpar as my makeup skills are, I'm going to, oh yeah, I also blended it out because the makeup look is oddly blended and her eyebrows are harsh, so that's why my eyebrows just look like this today. But I'm going to start with the white, and I'm just going to go in this area with the white because I have a lot more lid space than she does, and also she's like looking forward, so I don't know what's going on, like right here wise. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm guessing I may or may not do a red lip just because I already don't like this look, and I'm not going to do it over again because I want to keep moving forward with Halloween content. Also, I feel like I'm like not centered right because I don't know why, I just like can't get my angle right today. But if you're still watching, I'm Ceci or whatever, I like to call me as long as not rude, makeup enthusiast, annoying online, so on and so forth. But that's the thing as well, I don't know what shades they use as well, because this white that I'm using from the Charity palette, it's pretty good and you can barely see it on camera because I'm also Emma Stone, I think that's Emma Stone, not Emma Watson. Emma Stone, I think that's her. She's one of the Emmas, one of the Hollywood Emmas or whatever. She's very pale. She's very pale. I use these shades. All of mine are kind of like golden yellow. Also, these are what I use for my base today. I also have a fuller base because when I'm looking at the makeup, right, I'll pop up the photo again, I see no dimension. We're very dry, we're very cakey. And is that a bad thing? Yeah, I don't like it. I don't know. I'm just already not in love with this look, and I literally spent yesterday I literally spent like 7 hours just doing admin work on and off of things that I've been needing to do. So like eBay listings, applying for courses, applying for jobs and things like that, just stuff that I haven't really been had the time to do in between, like just editing and working and things like that, working online and offline, you know. I feel like I look insane, but it's okay, it's gonna get worse. I promise you, I promise you. We're gonna go a little above the lid. Also, if you have smaller lids and you're wanting to do a Cruella look, instead of doing this, literally just do the black smoky eye or like a dark brown smoky eye, and then go in with a white or silver highlighting stick just right underneath your brow bone, and you should be able to get that. Also, you'll probably have to sacrifice a little bit of eyebrow space and just do your eyebrows up higher. If you have a small forehead, I'm sorry, bestie, but you should be able to get it, you should be able to recreate this look just with a little bit of finesse. I don't remember where this brush was from. I think it's from one of the Urban Decay palettes that I have. No, we're going with the black. I'm going straight in with a softer black, and then I'm going to go in with a darker black. Oh fuck, my laptop is gonna explode. I need to turn the, oops, I already had it off. Turn off. Sorry if you got too close to me, if I got close to you. I literally have so many mirrors, but I just don't know where to go. So we're gonna start down here, and I think I'm just gonna stay down there, and then maybe we'll blend it up. My biggest fear, and I think as well what the makeup artist struggled with, maybe, perhaps, I don't know. I don't want to say that they struggled, but looks a little bit like they struggled, is the shape of the eyeshadow and the blending of the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in pretty harsh just to get my shapes in, because when I was looking at this look, I realized it's very, very angular, and I'm not like a film person or anything, but I'm guessing that's supposed to be like an homage to her character or whatever. I don't fucking know. Eyes turning 2 different shapes again. Love that for me. Also, if you're scared of doing base first and then going in with eyeshadow, try doing a very, very light base first and then finishing. I look like I got punched in the eye. Try finish going halfway through your base. So like do concealer, do foundation, but don't set with powder, and then starting your eyes, and then like pick off the fallout and then set all together. I feel like a lot of people have that not that issue, but they are afraid. Okay, and now we kind of just take it out. I don't know what went wrong. A lot of things probably. So I'm gonna like, because in this my eyes look even, but over here my eyes do not look even, and I don't know what I did wrong. I think I went a little too high and my shapes are weird. So we're gonna try to fix that. But really, honestly, this look is fairly easy if you like doing heavy makeup and if you like a very angular look, because I do feel like we have a lot of harsh shapes. And that's not necessarily bad, but if you struggle very often with making these harsh, precise shapes, kind of like I do, it's not gonna be fun. But you also actually don't even have to do this. You can just do a simple smoky eye. A little bit under the eye. God, I look fucking insane. We're gonna blend it a little bit. I'm gonna blend it a very, very little bit. And then I'm gonna go on top with a darker black, which I just mean like a more pigmented shade of black, just to kind of cover up where you can see the skin still, because going in with a softer black or a less pigmented black is a lot more forgiving than just going straight in with like the darkest shade that you own. I think I more or less kind of got my shapes right. My laptop's literally gonna explode. I don't know why she's working overtime right now, because I literally have the charger on and she was shut down. Okay, so more or less the shape. Do I look a little crazy? Yes, but we're going to softly blend it, do a little bit of mascara, and then add the red lip, because I do feel like the whole character is very dramatic, so I'm guessing like that's the whole point, is that she likes to be dramatic and like this is her signature look, and I'm just kind of softly, I don't really want to get that gray, but I don't want such harsh lines, because although we have like this big outer shape, the look is very, and I don't want to say it's kind of like Anna Takahashi's like softly bold or softly harsh or anything like that, because I feel like Anna could definitely do this look justice more than I can. But it's more just knowing where to go with the look. And I feel like if I made the look like slightly smaller, it'd be a lot easier. So we do want the blendedness, but we also want the harshness of the lines, because I guess that's just her fucking character or whatever. Her useless, annoying fucking character. Also, what the fuck is like this bringing forward? Like, it's like, I don't understand. Like, is it supposed to make her ugly or whatever? Like, I don't get it. I guess we also have to bring in a little bit of white closer to over here as well. More or less. So I will be right back and then we'll finish the look. I haven't put on lipstick in literal years, and I feel like this one is such a, this is Makeup Forever's Matte 8 Rogue Artist Intense. Oh, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's such a like blue red, meaning that like it's not gonna be more orangey or pinkish. It's more of a cool toned red. And on my teeth, I don't know what the photo thing or the beauty stuff is behind the iPhone 11 or whatever, but I just feel like, I don't know, because the attention is supposed to be here, right? But with the lip, your attention is drawn immediately from my disastrous eye makeup to my lip, and I just don't feel cute at all. So in person, this actually doesn't look that bad at all, and I do love the smokiness of it, but I think I would more likely just, because I have such ginormous fucking eyelids, and you can see how weirdly shaped my eyes are, I would probably just go less intense and then just completely forgo the lip. Also, she has this stupid little like very deep cupid's bow for the look, so I tried to do that. Also, I cannot line my lips properly to save my life, which is why I don't wear lipstick that often anymore. But yeah, this is the finished look. I look insane. Not really. I think this could be cuter if it was like just a less intense lip red and I just didn't look like a little raccoon or whatever. But giving very drag, very much Rocky Horror Picture Show. So this can also be a Rocky Horror Picture Show, like honestly if you think about it, because this is just so intense and not me. But yeah, again, really simple look. Honestly, really simple to execute. Just the harshness, I feel like it's kind of off-putting. Oh, I didn't do her stupid fucking mole. Let me do her little mole real quick. There we go. I'm gonna go skin some Dalmatians because they pushed my almonds because they pushed my mom off a cliff when I was like 2. But yeah, that's the finished look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.